There you go.
Yeah, I told you to get a big hammer.
Now I wanted to get the smaller hammer and flatten this out. This, I think, is supposed to be flat with the rest of that there.
You can share the quarter came with that piece of bread. There you go. She's talking to you now.
Alright, now I might have to push this whole entire thing down a little bit. Let me try my Fender on there.
Now you gotta come up here. This is about right on, right here. Now you're taking away here.
Yeah, I gotta get the front flap. I know that'll go once I torque bolts down, but either, see, this whole thing's gonna have to go down for this fender, and I'm gonna have to bend, probably gonna have to bend this up quite a ways, and this is gonna have to push down. This part, what the fuck am I looking at here? So the corner of the fender would have bolted to there, so that's where it should be, but it's supposed to go down below and meet that. Let me see that sledgehammer.
Oh, wait a minute. Where's that?